What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today we got this Audi A8L, assuming that stands for large because it is a large vehicle. So this week we did a lot of paint correction on this vehicle actually. It came in, it was heavily damaged. Unfortunately, it's hard to see on this color what it looked like before. We do have some good footage though, we'll put it in here. So hopefully you can see the good before and after difference. But yeah, with this color, it's kind of hard to see what happened, but definitely a lot of damage coming in here. We ended up actually on the hood of this vehicle doing a 3-stage paint correction, but I'll get into that in a second. Starting out this week, we gave it a good wash and decontamination. And with our decontamination process, we do a clay bar. On this vehicle, we had to do a heavy clay bar on it because it was terrible. We just kept clay barring it, and contaminants kept coming out. The reason we want to do this though is for the fact that if we leave those contaminants in there and just go straight to paint correction, we're going to take those contaminants and start swirling it around in the paint, damaging the paint even more, and turning it into a disaster. So the clay bar is a lengthy process, especially on a car like this, but it definitely comes in handy and helps out in the end. So yeah, after the clay bar process, we went and did a paint correction. Like I said, a 3-stage paint correction on the hood and trunk. It really needed it. There's still some imperfections in there, but with the depth of the paint that we saw, we don't want to go any further without damaging the clear coat. So yeah, and then the other areas of the vehicle, we did a 2-stage paint correction. Took out the majority of all the scratches and marring and gave that deep glossy finish. And then after the polish, we ended up putting our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating on this. And this is a heavy duty chemical resistant coating. It's gonna help prevent the UV rays from damaging your clear coat, bird dropping, acid rain, stuff like that. It's really gonna help prevent stuff like that from damaging the vehicle. And then also obviously adding this incredible gloss and then making it super easy to wash. And we'll go over the wash instructions and stuff later. But yeah, other than the 5-year ceramic coating on the paint, we did a Aegis Armors glass coating on all the glass surfaces, including the sunroofs up here, front windshield, everything all around, and then the headlights and taillights. That's obviously going to add a lot more gloss to it. And then I'll show a picture-in-picture here of what the glass coating actually does. It's going to make the rain fly off your vehicle while you're driving. You don't even have to use your windshield wipers or anything, so it makes it awesome. No wheels on this car, but we do have a Aegis Armors wheels coating. It's a heavy-duty coating for high temperature, so that is an option. We opted out, but on this car we did finish it off with our Black Widow tire shine, and this can be put on in a matte or a satin or gloss finish, and we chose the gloss finish here. And yeah, that's about it for this vehicle this week. Stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys.
My name's Frank. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance on these vehicles that we ceramic coat. This doesn't really just apply to our ceramic coat. Our products work on any car that's got a ceramic coating on it. Once a car has ceramic coating, you'll basically rinse the car every couple weeks. Then you'll take a foam can, apply our foam Fury or our Spectrum, which is a ceramic-based soap, adds a little more gloss. Basically let it sit in the car for about a minute, rinse it off, take a leaf blower and dry it. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a 2-bucket wash using grip guards, of course. After you get done with that, you'll take our Aegis Armor Renew, which is our maintenance coating for the ceramic. You'll take 3 microfibers, wet one, wring it out, spray the Renew right onto the first microfiber, the wet one, wipe it onto the vehicle, let it sit for about 15 seconds, wipe it off with a dry microfiber, buff it with a third dry microfiber. That's all the maintenance that has to be done on the vehicle. This product can be used on glass, wheels, paint, plastics. It's kind of a one-stop shop. On the vehicle that we just did in this video, we also used our Black Widow non-sling tire gel. This can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss finish. For the do-it-yourself crowd, we've also got a couple products over here. We have Shield, which is a 6-month coating, and Shield Elite, which is a 1-year coating. This one is applied actually like you would apply a real ceramic, doing a 2-foot by 2-foot area. Let it sit for about 15 seconds, buff it right off, last up to a year. If you have any questions about ceramic coating, even if you're not in our area, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions you have. Thanks, have a great day.